we're back, and who's with me?
Sadie.
Sadie, and what are we gonna make?
Pumpkin muffins.
Pumpkin muffins. You're so cute. All right, so the first thing we're gonna start out with is eggs. We are gonna crack our eggs. You wanna crack one of them eggs?
Yes.
Okay, crack that egg. 2 eggs. Think it's a double yolker? Nope, it's just a big egg. All right, okay, we got those cracked. Now, I'm going to give you this fork. Yep, and you just beat them up like that so they get beat up real good, okay?
But I'm not going to do it that fast.
And then we're going to put in 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Now you can use light, I make my own, so mine's a little darker. There's that. I need a quarter, so hold on. Yeah, you can mix that up. There's the other. Okay.
It might be hard.
Mix it real good.
It is hard.
Mix it like this.
Okay, I got it.
It's not hard, it's soft. It's just gotta mix it real good. Here, actually, this might be easier.
Yeah.
To whisk. Okay, try that. Mix it really good. Beautiful job. You're learning so good. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is oil. We need 3/4 of a cup of oil. That seems like an awful lot of oil. Are you tasting that? Yes, you're silly.
It's going to taste good.
It's going to taste really good. We need 3/4 of a cup. So, I gotta get my measure.
It tastes good without the oil.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Oh, it does.
Okay, so we're going to do 3/4 of a cup of oil.
That was my last bit.
I assure you these aren't heart healthy, are they? Okay.
And when Nana puts the cup of oil in, I'll keep on stirring.
There we go. There's our cup of oil. Oh, I thought I heard a dog bark. Okay, and then we got our pumpkin, our canned pumpkin. Remember, we're using this with our canned pumpkin. So I am going to, this winds up being about 1.5 cups of pumpkin. I'm going to smash that all up. And I'm just going to use this fork to, see how easy that mashes, friends, in there? If you probably can barely see it, but it mashes pretty good. Just like mashing bananas almost. And this winds up, 1 pint winds up being just about 1.5 cups. Now the recipe actually calls for 1 1/3 cups, but I'm not throwing that little bit out. What am I going to do with that little bit? That little bit extra, I'm putting it in there. So this one, 1.5 cups. What do we call that? That's just a little extra. That's just a little extra love going in our muffins. You think Stella and Nene's going to like them?
Yeah.
Okay, that's all mashed up.
And they're going to be better
so we're
than
gonna
the
put
ones
that in
yesterday.
there.
And then keep on stirring.
Yep, hang on. Let me get this in here, and then you can keep stirring it up. I don't waste none of that. All right.
Whoa. Yeah, you're going to have to stir. And that looks so good.
It's going to be good. Let me get that stirred up real
Ooh,
quick.
no, I think that's good. It's good.
Hang on. Let me get a little bit better.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yay.
Now I'm going to put 1 teaspoon, I got it here, 1 teaspoon of baking powder.
Put it in.
It's in there. Mix it in. I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of soda.
Good thing we're not using salt.
Mix it in. No, we're not going to use any salt. And then we're going to use 1/2 tablespoon of our pumpkin pie spice. Oh, look at that. Fits right in there.
Oh.
Perfect. Throw that in there. Okay, mix that up real good.
Yeah.
The only thing left we got to put in there is the flour. Here, mix it real good.
Ooh, that smells good.
I want that soda and that baking powder all dissolved in there.
None of that looks good.
Mm-hmm.
I wish we put frosting on it.
Well, maybe we will.
Yeah.
You guys like frosting, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now we're gonna have to trade just. Oh, I threw the fork in the sink. Oh, I'm taking my apron off. Look at there. I gotta tie that back up again. Okay, I need to get you a different fork because that's not gonna mix well. Maybe it will. We'll find out.
Let's see.
We're gonna do 1.5 cups
A flour.
of flour, just like so. There's 1 cup. Start mixing it in. Okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna need that.
And there's the 1/2. Yeah, you can mix it. It'll mix pretty good.
Ooh, Nana, look at that.
Uh-huh. All right, let's see. Let me get you started here.
You start until it gets a bit better. It looks like we need to...
Ooh, doesn't it? Look at this. Smells good, doesn't it?
Yep.
Oh, tell our friends are going to love this.
They're gonna love this. Okay, let me start.
Okay, there you go. Stir it up real good.
You put a lot of flour in there.
That's what it calls for. You're doing good. I'll hold it and you stir it. Good girl. Isn't that nice? And we use pumpkin pie spice because it's got the cinnamon,
And it tastes
allspice,
good.
cloves, and all the goodies in there. Okay.
And you can like see the pumpkin spice in it.
Okay, I think we got that mixed up pretty good.
Yep.
We're gonna, oh, we gotta set our oven to 350.
I wanna try it.
You're gonna lick that? No, don't do that. We're gonna put it in our muffin tins. Hold on.
Oh, I want some on it.
No, it'll drip all over my floor, and you know how Nana is. Okay. We're gonna trade spots with this because we're gonna show.
When you're done with this, I'm having it.
Are you?
Uh-huh.
Okay. This should do 12 muffins.
Oopsie.
See, I told you. All over the place. Don't you love it? Pour them right in there. These are going to be so good. Okay, get your finger out of there. You can't be putting your finger in there.
Yes, I can.
Yes, you can. Why can you?
Because I made
You are too cute. Okay.
Oh, come on.
Okay, put that in the sink.
Here you go.
Put it in the sink. I can't do it right now. I'm putting these in here.
Yeah, I'm doing that one though.
Oh, I got it.
I want to do this one.
Hold on. I'm going to show them when to put all these in here.
And the last one I'm doing.
I got to add to it because this, well, you know why. They're going to be just a little, let me get it, baby. Or it's going to be just a little bit bigger because remember we had that little extra of pumpkin in here. So we're going to put some in this one, a little bit more in that one.
And then that one and that
Put
one.
a little bit more in each one of these.
And then I'm having a bowl.
You're so cute.
Make sure there's some in there for me.
Yep, there's some left in there for you.
Yay!
Okay, you take the bowl, go to the table, have a ball,
Now can I have
and
Make one
yep,
of
get that
these.
rubber spatula. And friends, that's all there is to it. We're gonna give this just a little tap, and as soon as the oven gets to temperature, we're gonna put it in there, and it's gonna bake for about 25 minutes, maybe 30. So, with that, tell them thank you
Thank
for
you.
being patient with you, you sweet muffin. And then we're going to bake these, and we'll be back. Tell our friends we'll be back, and we'll show them how good they are.
We'll be right back.
Friends, our muffins are done, and I want to show you just how easy they will come out of here. They're cooled off, and they're done. Look at, they come out of there just so easy. It's just a matter of getting a hold of them. These are super moist. They're wonderful. And the grandbabies love them, and they're begging me to frost them. I don't usually frost them. I just usually put a little butter or something on them. But that's it. Look at our muffins. Aren't they beautiful? And watch, I'll break one in half because you'll see just how moist they are. Beautiful. Look at that. They're gorgeous. So give it a try. That is a real easy recipe. And you know what else? They're good with the little nuts or pecans in them. There you have it, friends. Thanks for watching.